What's up? It's the loudmouth Mona C. Once again, I'm just back at you. Just want to give a shout out to my family, the Cherry family. I believe, like, a family bloodline root runs very deep. Just like a tree. You know how a tree, like, just stands for so many years, for like hundreds of years. This tree just stands, like the wind come through, different storms, hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes, but this tree just stands. The season change, leaves falls, leaves come back and grow again, but this tree is still here, the same tree. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to my family, because I know that this is like a very, hard, difficult time for them right now. And I just want to tell y'all, it shouldn't be like that. Hey, I know that we lost a family member, but I want y'all to know something. The world is like caught up in, like, you got like Maya, the illusion, and then you got reality. So let's look on the reality part. If we look at the reality part of it, hey, it's a great day. It's something to celebrate. Tomorrow, a lot of people get ready to be celebrating Easter. Well, people get ready to celebrate Easter, but hey, we'll be celebrating our family day. Yeah, it's Nikki Day, you know what I'm saying? Because Nikki carried out, Nikki carried our cousin for 9 months, through her womb. She brung her forth, and she gave us someone that we can love. We have memories. Memories are not like people. People live and then we die, but memories live on forever. This is our ancestor. We will always remember her, so she will always be with her. She will always be here with us. She will always live because we are alive, so she lived within us. She is our ancestor. The children, they will always remember her, so she will always be a part of them. So she is always a part of us. Like I say, tomorrow a lot of people be celebrating Easter Day, but we'll be celebrating our family day, because that's how we do it. We love to party, we love to enjoy ourselves, we love to kick it, let the music play. So hey, for all y'all D-Town fans out there, go out there and get, like, the old school song, Don't Stop the Music, because that's what the Cherry family go do. Remember, the bloodline run deep. So whether you married into the bloodline, or whether you just a close-knitted friend of the bloodline, hey, we are one. We one family. Big up to my family again. I want to give a special shout out to my cousin Tamika Cherry. I think that was awesome what you said about we all should take out an egg and put an egg out for our cousin. And I said, you know what? That's great. I think that's what we all should do. Everybody should really just go and get an egg. I'm a vegan, so I don't have any eggs in my house, but I'm going to go out to the store and I'm going to buy me a special egg. And this egg is special to me. Why? Because I know, just as my cousin Nikki carried my cousin for 9 months, I know that this egg that I'm going to go out and buy at the store is a product of that same type of semi-environment. So, it's a hen that, laid an egg that would have grew into a chick, but, the environment decided they'll go and take it and, make money off of it and eat it. But hey, to each his own. But I feel like tomorrow we should go out. We should go out. I feel like, people should go out. They should boil eggs. I feel like you should make like a special egg, a special decoration for her, and put it somewhere. Hey, and let somebody find it. Anybody find it, know that's the spirit inside of her that has found that egg. Remember that she loved to see us being together, being happy together, enjoying ourselves. Remember, that's how it was on Easter Day. Everybody was out. Y'all all was out enjoying y'allself, having like a great good time. All the family was there, everything was going on, the music was playing, the fire was burning, people was drinking and tossing it up. So that's what I feel like y'all should do. I feel like that's what she'll want. I think it's an awesome thing that you experienced, my cousin Nikki, to actually have the opportunity to actually be there and witness that and be there with her. I know on one level, like I say, it might look sad, and that's okay. It's good to cry. Crying is good for the soul. It heals the soul. I think it's a good thing to cry, but I think it's an awesome thing to be happy too. To be happy, enjoy all those good memories, of carrying her, remembering her growing to your stomach, remembering her growing into your womb. And just remembering her, like kicking, like remember the birth, remember when you first saw her, and just remember, and remember how you was feeling, that day, remember your, know, remember your happy spirit, you know, and remember, you know, I know you remember like when it all just changed, but you know, remember that even when it changed, don't you have those moments when you just laugh and you just feel so good about, you know, the times you share with her, or when you feel so good just to talk about her sometimes? So those are the moments, those are the time. Let's embrace the spirit. Remember, Easter is about embracing the spirit of Christ, you know, when Christ had risen. So remember, you know, they got different, sayings about, you know what I'm saying, Martha, don't weep. So hey, Nikki, don't weep. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you cry, I want you to be laughing too. I want you to be smiling and laughing. I want you to be dancing and smiling and laughing and crying. I want you to be doing it all at the same time. I want you to really, really enjoy yourself. I want you to know that you're never alone. Always remember, baby daddy, you're never alone. Remember, she looks exactly like you. So, you know, Nikki might have carried her for 9 months. Nikki probably felt the kicks, but you got a chance to touch and feel those kicks also. So, you know, I want you to embrace your moments, embrace your time, embrace and know that she is with you at all times. She's always in your heart. Remember, just like you got your memories, she got her memories. And remember, her spirit is where we will always, you know what I'm saying, we will all travel down that road, you know. And I think once again, Nikki, it was an awesome experience for you to even witness and see that you was able to be there with your baby from the beginning and ending. You know, that's an awesome spiritual thing, sister, to really you know, have experience. You know, a lot of people might say a tragic, but I think it's a spiritual, you know, it's a spiritual thing. I think it's an awesome thing. I think you're a wonderful sister. I think you have did wonderful things. And I want to give a shout out to all the mothers out there, you know what I'm saying, who have lost a child. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Whether it's through, like, you know what I'm saying, stillborn children, you know, I want you to go out there and plant an egg for your stillborn child, you know, whether it's through abortions, you know what I'm saying, for all the mothers out there, you know what I'm saying, who still, you know what I'm saying, I hear women who say that they hear the baby cry, you know what I'm saying, and all the women who still cry, you know what I'm saying, and still have the memories of their seed, you know what I'm saying, that they carried, you know what I'm saying, the seed they carried in their womb that they maybe gave up for abortions. I want to give a shot, you know, I want you to go out and just plant an Easter egg, you know, for that baby, you know. Just, you know, it's always about remembering. Remember, it's about the risen, you know what I'm saying, the rising of a spirit. And so remember that we're all going to be one day ancestors, and all our loved ones has passed over now, ancestors. And hey, you know, we're going to just lift up all their spirits. You know, just as people are going to lift up Christ's spirits. A lot of people going to go to church. I ain't been to church, you know, this year. But they'll be at church, you know, this Sunday. So once again, we're going to just keep, you know, lifting up our family, being happy, you know, celebrating Nikki Day, you know what I'm saying, because this is our family day. This is a day that will, you know, as a matter of fact, look at it like transformation. No more would it be, you know, Easter Day and Cherry family. That's how we do shit, you know. For now on, it's just like, you know, it's Nikki Day, you know what I'm saying. It's all about the kids, you know what I'm saying. It's all about, you know what I'm saying, our ancestors. It's all about the memory of her. It's all about, you know, the egg, the life, the birth, the rebirth, you know what I'm saying? It's all about rejuvenation, you know, it's all about, you know, giving and receiving. You know, Nikki gave us a life, you know what I'm saying? And we received and embraced it. I remember I used to hold her and try to grab her and be playing with her, and she didn't really like fooling with folks, you know. I used to always tell people, this little baby is serious. So I really think that she really did what she came here to do, and that's, you know, I think she looked around, she paid attention. She wasn't playing no games, you know what I'm saying? So she went on about her business, because there's a whole bunch of bull crap down here. So big up to one of the realest that came through our family bloodline, you know what I'm saying? And now, you know what I'm saying, she's our angel. So we have somebody that's watching over us, protecting us, being there for us. And Nikki, remember, you know what I'm saying, y'all ain't never alone, you know what I'm saying? Y'all always have her, you know what I'm saying? You always have your angel. Anytime you feel like somebody, you know what I'm saying, trying to mess with you or trying to, you know, cause you harm or pain, just, you know what I'm saying, sick on them, you know what I'm saying? Say, baby girl, you know what I'm saying, come help our mama, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy yourself. I got another video that's coming out right after this video. It's a special dedication to my Cherry family. You know, I don't know these people. I was just coming down from Houston one day, and I just, you know, pulled over. And I started filming early in the morning. And I was, you know what I'm saying, it's just a cute little video. It's pretty fun. I think it's, you know, I think it really shows, you know what I'm saying, how deep the bloodline is. You know what I'm saying, how real rooted it is. You know, how this some real shit. You know, people just like to have fun, like to laugh, like to just, you know what I'm saying, keep the fire burning, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, keep tossing it up, you know what I'm saying. That's what they do. That's what we like doing, and that's what it is. So the next video, that's for y'all. Once again, like I said, shout out to all the baby mamas, you know what I'm saying. A shout out to, you know what I'm saying, Jasmine Lucky, You know what I'm saying? You need to do the same. You know what I'm saying? You and your family, your loved ones, you know, go out and put an egg out there for the baby. Yeah, she'll like that. You know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? Let her know that, you know, hey, girl, you live on. We still remember you. You know, you ain't forgotten, you know. Let me see. Oh, yeah, a special shout out to Miss Mary Green out of Oak Cliff. That's one of my friends, Felicia Green mother, who I grew up with. Her mother, she had a daughter that passed away before I even knew them. I think she was a little girl, and I used to always go in a hallway and look at her picture, and like I used to go in the back bathroom. I used to cry, and people didn't used to know it. And I used to always go over there and just have conversations and talk to her. So it's like amazing that I had that connection with that picture and some about my life. So, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, shout out to Miss Mary Green, because I think she's an awesome, strong, classic diva. So, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the women, you know what I'm saying? Once again, you know, whether you done had an abortion, you know what I'm saying? Whether you had a miscarriage, whether you had stillborn, you know, or, you know, whether your baby died, you know, whether it was under the age of 7, you know, whether your baby was like 14 years old or under, you know what I'm saying? Special shout out to all the moms, you know what I'm saying? You know, no matter what age your baby was, you know, if your child was 41, you know, I heard mom say, that's my baby, you know? So that's your baby. So, you know what I'm saying? Put an egg out there for your baby, you know what I'm saying? Think about that egg just like, you know what I'm saying? Just like birth, just like regeneration, you know what I'm saying? Just like, you know what I'm saying? Just like, you know, life, you know? They always had this story. What was there first, the egg or the hen? So shout out to all the moms, because y'all are the ones who carried the egg in your womb for 9 months to bring forth that egg, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow is not just about the rising of Jesus Christ. Remember, Jesus Christ is the Son of God. You know what I'm saying? Get to learn and understand and know who you are, black woman. Love yourself, you know what I'm saying, and the God within. And peace and love to all my family. And my family is you, the universal family. Peace out. Hotel. Okay, I love it.